AI can make cool 3D cartoons for free, but most videos have big problems. Character change faces or look different every scene, and this is very annoying. In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you a better way to do this in 2026. You get perfect character match, a good lip sync, and guess what? You can do all this on your mobile phone with no laptop or PC required. I'll be doing this in 4 simple steps, and I will also be revealing 4 secret gems that nobody is talking about in their AI animation video. So you have to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss anything. Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Wealth. Here we use free AI tools to make money online. Today we fix the old AI animation way. We make it simple, fast, and all on your mobile device. All you have to do is download my free prompt pack from my pinned comment, copy, paste, and start. If you use only your mobile phone just like me, then this video is perfect for you. Let's go. Have you seen those 3D AI cartoons online that looks nice at first, but at some point you start to notice some inconsistency in the character appearance? Yes, we will be fixing that in this video with better prompts and tricks. Your story will now feel very much real, like a movie.
We found it!
Step number 1. Make the plan with ChatGPT. It all starts with a very good master prompt from ChatGPT. All you have to do is open your ChatGPT app on your phone, copy and paste my master prompt from my pinned comment. It gives you the full script, character look, scene ideas, and the video prompts with words for lip sync. So you hit send, and in seconds you have everything you need. Add this to prompt. Same character look always. And make sure you add this to your prompt. This will help you solve the problem. And now when you get the entire prompt, we have to move to step 2. Step 2 is basically creating your pictures with Gemini AI. Now go to Gemini AI app or the browser on your phone. Use high quality mode. Paste the character prompt first to generate your characters. In my own case, I'm making the girl and the red panda first. Then after doing that, you paste scene prompts one after the other. Always start with medium close-up or waist up so your character looks big. Also add this for consistency for your characters. Now Gemini makes nice pictures very fast, so you do this for different scenes. Now gem number 1, if Gemini says you've reached your daily limit, you don't need to panic. You don't need to stop creating for that day. All you have to do is copy your script and your pictures, sign in into another Google account on Gemini, and keep working. It's free. Now, step number 3. Step number 3, we are now turning those pictures into video using Grok AI. Now, after you've created your beautiful images using Gemini AI, it's time to convert those images into short clip videos using Grok AI. All you have to do is download the Grok app or sign in to grok.com. Paste the video prompt from ChatGPT and upload the image scene and hit generate. And Grok will quickly generate the video for you, a 7-second video of your particular scene. Now, gem number 2, for scenes longer than 7 seconds, do this. After the first 7-second clip, take a screenshot of the last frame of the clip. Upload that screenshot to Grok for the next part. This makes your story continue smoothly. So for consistency of character and for continuity, once you see that a scene is supposed to last more than 7 seconds, after you've generated the first scene, make sure you take the video of that first scene till the last second and take a screenshot of it. Generate another video with that last scene to ensure continuity of your story. Now we are moving to the 4th step, which is putting all this together using CapCut. Now, after using Grok AI, you must have generated a lot of 7-second clip. Now, we use CapCut app to do the final editing. Download your CapCut app, click on New Project, and add all your clips together and arrange them sequentially how you want them to appear in your final edit. You can now do your little edit, add transitions, add soft music to the background. You can trim, you can cut, and you can do all you want to do on CapCut. I will be creating a full version tutorial on how you can create or edit your videos on CapCut. Now, gem number 3. If one tool stops working and you want more options, try these free ones. Now, for text like ChatGPT, you can use Cloud AI, Microsoft Copilot, or DeepSeek. Now for images like Gemini, you can try Leonardo AI Free tier, you can try Ideogram or Hugging Charts. For video generation, you can try Meta AI, Video Plus AI, CapCut's own AI, and these are all free tools on your mobile phone. Now for the fourth and final gen, it is important to know that no AI is perfect. Even with good prompts, sometimes lips move wrongly and faces do change after generation. So you have to be patient and keep generating again and again and again in Grok, or edit in CapCut till you get what you want. Try 3 to 5 times per clip and you get great results. And there you have it, guys. Now you can create your 3D AI animation to your taste and it will come out looking perfect and good, just like this video.
Nico, this map is glowing. Hey, glowy maps mean treasure. Well, let's follow it. Adventure mode on! Whee! Hold tight. Easy answer to cross. Milo, I think we are close. That's us! Chase them! This must be it! Turn the symbols! You're a genius! We found it! Shiny victory! We did it! Best day ever!
So that's it, guys. Drop a comment if you will be trying this. What story will you be making? What fun adventure will you be creating? Please like this video if this helps. Subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss my next video on more AI tips and money ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video.